Hi guys, there are plenty of great passive floor standing speakers to choose from, such as Polk Audio, Definitive Technology, Clipar, Dayton Audio, JMO. It's difficult for customers to make a shopping decision. To help you find the top 10 best passive floor standing speakers that meet different needs, we have carefully researched a large amount of passive floor standing speakers. We researched 67 passive floor standing speakers in the market to get you the list of the best passive floor standing speakers. Right on top of the list is Polk Audio Floor Standing Speaker. Check out our best 10 for all of our favorites, and be sure to read our buying guide to get all the information you need to make the best choice. So, let's get started. Number 10, Clipar R820F. This passive floor standing speakers is here with the 15% price off. Now you can get it at around $510. The Clipar R820F floor standing speaker fills your room with amazing detail and clarity. Leveraging Clipar's proprietary horn-loaded technology and featuring dual 8-inch spun copper IMG woofers, the R820F delivers lifelike acoustics that bring your music and movies to life. The Clipar R820F floor standing speaker fills your room with amazing detail and clarity. Leveraging our proprietary horn-loaded technology and featuring dual 8-inch spun copper IMG woofers, the R820F delivers lifelike acoustics that brings your music and movies to life. It might not be optimal output, but it would run these speakers. That speaker has a 150 watts continuous power rating at 8 ohms nominal and a peak power rated at 600 watts. Our speakers can run efficiently off of 80% of their continuous power rating, so at least we would recommend 120 watts per channel at 8 ohms for this model. The next is Number 9, Polk Audio T5150W. Now you can get it at around $249. Amplify your movie, music and gaming experience with this T-Series speaker that not only sounds brilliant but also heightens your audio experience. Fill any small to medium-sized room, produce captivating lifelike sound, which pulls you right into the heart of the action. Get superior home theater experience with immersive surround sound and high-res audio. Featuring a 1-inch tweeter, a 6.5 driver and 6.5 bass radiators. The two bass radiators augment the main woofer and produce a well-balanced, natural warm sound reaching the far corners of the room. Polk speakers are compatible with most home theater AV receivers, giving you many setup arrangement options in single or multi-room with 2.0, 2.1, 3.1 systems or an immersive 5.1, 7.1 or 9.1 setup. The next is Number 8, Clipar R26FA Dolby Atmos. Now you can get it at around $680. Built with an elevation channel integrated into the top, the R26FA Dolby Atmos floor standing speaker not only delivers stereo sound towards the listener, but also reflects sound off the ceiling to deliver the immersive, overhead Dolby Atmos experience. Clipar's signature controlled directivity and high performance have been an integral part of Clipar's acoustic design principles for the better part of a century, which is why Clipar is the preferred speaker for this cutting-edge soundstage. Built-in elevation channel for Dolby Atmos 1-inch aluminum diaphragm compression tweeter dual 6.5 copper spun magnetically shielded IMG woofers 90 by 90 square Tractrix horn front firing port strong. The next is Number 7, Dayton Audio T652 Air Dual. Now you can get it at around $170. Enjoy the light and airy high frequencies from the Dayton Audio T652 Air Tower speakers. Featuring the same design DNA as the B652 Air speaker from Dayton Audio, the T652 Air model incorporates dual woofers into a compact bass reflex tower cabinet for unobtrusive yet modern aesthetics and incredibly deep bass, and features an AMT tweeter for an extended frequency range. Like the B652 Air, the T652 Air is all about giving you the most performance for your money while offering a little something extra from the fantastic AMT tweeter. Have had a chance to air them out properly yet, but have listened to half a song at a pretty high level. Must say, they pack a punch, especially for the price. I think they're even louder than my other speakers were, and I paid a hell of a lot more than I did for these. Great pair of speakers, 5 stars all the way. The next is Number 6, JMO Studio Series S809. This passive floor standing speakers is here with the 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $373. The S809 is our JMO flagship Dolby Atmos tower speaker. 3 impressive 127mm aluminized polyfiber woofers and a 25mm soft dome tweeter deliver an amazing acoustic performance. Each speaker includes a patent-pending connection point atop the cabinet for seamless integration of the S8 ATM topper to deliver the overhead effect of Dolby Atmos. This patent-pending design allows for all of the wire connections on the back of the floorstander, avoiding unsightly and messy speaker wire going all the way up to the Atmos module for cinematic, completely immersive Dolby Atmos sound while preserving the beautiful aesthetic of the JMO Studio 8 series. Elegant metal fasteners atop the cabinet provide a chic, modern industrial look, but also serve as a connection point for the S8 ATM Dolby Atmos elevation speaker. The next is Number 5, Dayton Audio T652 Dual 6-to-1 2-inch 2-way. Now you can get it at around $150. Dayton Audio brings the high-value design formula of the B652 speakers to a tower form factor in the T652 floor-standing tower speakers. Dual 6-to-1 2-inch woofers and a 5/8 polycarbonate ferrofluid-cooled dome tweeter deliver sound with power, clarity, and bass punch. The bass reflex tower cabinet provides a firm bass foundation to 45 Hz for rich, satisfying low end that complements any type of music or home theater content. The larger tower design of the T652 provides enough output to fill the largest listening spaces, while not overwhelming the decor. In more intimate settings, additional features of the T652 tower speakers include non-marking rubber feet, spring-loaded speaker terminals, and an elegant black ebony pica vinyl finish with removable fabric speaker grills. The next is Number 4, Klipsch Synergy Black Label. This passive floor-standing speakers is here with the 42% price off. Now you can get it at around $290. The Klipsch Synergy Black Label F300 floor-standing speaker features Klipsch Tractrix horn technology, an aluminum diaphragm compression driver, dual 8-inch copper IMG woofers, and a dynamic one tweeter to fill the room with sound. Connect the F300 to your AV receiver or amplifier and enjoy hours of room-filling sound for your movies, music, and gaming. Dynamic 1-inch tweeter, dual 8 high-output woofers fills large rooms with lifelike music and film sound reproduction. Highly efficient design produces more output using less energy. Accurate, non-fatiguing sound provides hours of listening pleasure. Plays louder with less distortion than the competition. Contemporary finish to integrate with any decor. With each speaker must be connected to an AV receiver or amplifier for audio signal and power. The next is Number 3, Klipsch R610F. Now you can get it at around $168. The exclusive linear travel suspension minimizes distortion for enhanced, detailed performances. Captain is an extremely light and rigid material used in the tweeter suspension to provide high efficiency and improve resolution and detail. LEDs tweeters are a hallmark of Klipsch speakers, making it a core component of some of the best speakers in the world. Injection-molded graphite woofer cones are exceptionally light while being extremely rigid, providing remarkable low-frequency response, with minimal cone breakup and distortion. When paired with the Tractrix horn-loaded LEDs tweeter, it provides speaker efficiency highest in its class. The rear Tractrix port is perfectly matched to the cabinet and woofers, creating ideal airflow with minimal distortion or turbulence even at the lowest frequencies. The next is Number 2, Definitive Technology D15. Now you can get it at around $1,399. Room-filling sound and modern elegant styling for movies and music with this dedicated right-channel D15 tower speaker that delivers smooth highs and superior mid-range. Combine it with a D15 left channel for a precise three-dimensional soundstage. Minimalist design, timeless appeal, handcrafted cabinet in a premium mirror finish, precision machined components, and an aluminum front baffle give this floor-standing speaker an elegant look that blends seamlessly with the most distinguished interior. Greater stability, the cast aluminum base with spikes and floor glides, coupled with the speaker's wide footprint, ensures ITS stability and helps keep it firmly in place. On carpet or other solid surfaces like hardwood, tiles or concrete floors. The next is Number 1, Polk Monitor XT70 Large. This passive floor-standing speakers is here with the 20% price off. Now you can get it at around $279. Premium build quality and modern design and upgrade to the critically acclaimed Monitor series, the Polk Monitor XT series features latest innovations in affordable, great-sounding speakers, and their stylish design blends with any home decor. Large high-performance tower speaker, Polk Monitor XT70 features a 1-inch tweeter, 6.5 dynamically balanced woofers and 8 passive radiators that deliver open mid-range and punchy, responsive bass in an immersive soundstage in your movies, TV and music. High resolution sound from all inputs. RO3D compatible Monitor XT70's 4 and 8 ohm amplifiers deliver Dolby Atmos and DTS-X surround sound from your favorite sources, including online streaming via Apple Music, Amazon Music HD, Tidal, Spotify and more, so this is the best option for you to buy.